Hello everyone, welcome to Magic Automotive. This video covers the air intake kit installation on your GMC Envoy or Chevy Trailblazer between the years of 2002 and 2005. As well, it will fit the Oldsmobile Bravada and the Buick Rainier. This kit was purchased online for approximately $60. It included everything I needed as well as some components I did not. Your exact setup may vary based on the year, make, or model of your vehicle. Begin by removing a band clamp here on the pipe and resonator and a second clamp from the resonator to the throttle body, and then remove the resonator. Next, remove this PCV hose if it did not come off with the resonator. Remove this support brace. Use a 14mm socket to remove two fasteners. Unplug the air temperature sensor from the plastic pipe. You can now remove the air filter cover by removing these two Phillips head screws. Lift the cover out of the way. You can now remove your old filter and the air pipe and tubes. Let's now inspect our throttle body and see if it needs to be cleaned out. Use some air intake cleaner and a shop towel to wipe the debris away from the throttle body. Insert the supplied grommet into the new pipe. Now insert your air temperature sensor into the new pipe. I'm going to add some RTV silicone to ensure this does not become a spot that sucks in dirty air. Insert the larger band clamp and throttle body sleeve onto your throttle body. Now place on a smaller clamp onto the throttle body sleeve. Now insert the pipe into the throttle body sleeve, making sure it passes between your two oil dipsticks. Now place on the additional sleeve with two more clamps onto the pipe. Insert the final piece of the pipe with the longer of the two ends pointing towards the filter, and then install the filter. Now check the pipes, clamps, and sleeves to ensure proper fitment. Now use a flathead screwdriver to tighten down all the band clamps on your new air intake pipe. From my local automotive store, I purchased clamps and vacuum caps to help round out this kit, because it included silicone hoses which are porous and will sweat out the muddy fumes. It also includes a second smaller hose which is not in use on my engine. I recommend replacing these hoses with 15-30 seconds and 7-30 seconds vacuum hoses. Use a clamp from the kit to install the vacuum hose onto the intake pipe. The hose will fit onto the valve cover nipple without a clamp. Then you can tighten the one clamp from the hose to the pipe. Using a tiny clamp from the kit and a vacuum cap from the kit, I will now plug up this tiny nipple on the pipe that is not in use on my engine. You can now use this bracket provided with the kit, as well as some zip ties that were also purchased from the automotive store, to secure your intake pipe down to the windshield washer reservoir. For reference, I plan to remove the washer fluid reservoir and paint it black to complete the look of this intake install. Now, replace the brace and the two 14mm fasteners. Be sure and periodically check the tightness of your band clamps on the intake, as vibrations in the engine may begin to loosen them over time. This completes the install of the air intake kit for a 2002 through 2005 4200 Vortec. Up next, how to replace the vacuum hose on your fuel pressure regulator with the part now being obsolete. Thank you for watching Magic Automotive. If you liked the video or you learned something, throw us a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more, hit subscribe.